Hello and welcome to NutriFood and Total Wellness. This is a channel where we aim to educate people on various aspects of nutrition and health. We are a channel that has dedicated time and effort as well as learning to be able to understand different basic principles of nutrition. And so we share information not only that has been gained through years and years of research, but also we share information gathered as a result of the experiences that we have gained from working on our day-to-day life. On this channel, we talk about various aspects that include things like exercise. We are a people that love and derive so much joy and excitement in doing exercises, as we strongly believe that exercise is an important and fundamental part of human health and well-being. We also don't believe that you need to have a lot of money or spend a lot of money to be able to exercise. And hence we show you different exercises such as running and walking that can be done very easily and successfully and contribute towards your health goals without paying for them. We also share different aspects of nutrition. So we talk about things like nutrition and health, how diet impacts on your hair, how diet impacts on your skin, how diet can help you with weight loss. If that's the journey that you want to be on. If you want again to gain weight, there are different things that you can do as we share all those across this channel. We also spend time to encourage each other to do life together. And so we have been doing several challenges and continue to hope to do more challenges where we encourage people to join things like intermittent fasting challenge. We have done things like improving our walking pace or running pace so that we can get better, making our today better than yesterday. And so thank you so much for stepping by here today. Thank you so much for watching the content that we produce on this channel. And if you find this useful in any way, why not support us by liking, subscribing, or sharing this content, as it will continue to encourage us as we continue doing what we do. If you find this also useful, leave us a comment, or if there is anything that you would like us to contribute towards in terms of being able to discuss it as a new topic, why not leave it for us in the comment section below? And we will be more than happy to engage with it and make some content that will be useful in helping you in your journey to wellness. So thank you so much, and hopefully as you watch various videos on this channel, you will be able to learn something new that will catapult you towards the healthy you and your health journey. Goodbye.